Hello guys and welcome to Painting Panzers. Today I've got something very exciting for you. This is the Waffen SS Camouflage Uniforms book by AK Interactive and it's an absolute beast of a book. It is thick. It's got 400 pages of amazing material, loads and loads of photos. I just wanted to get that across. There's tons of photos in this book and yeah, as I said, really thick, 400 pages of just brilliant Waffen SS camouflage uniforms. Now this isn't how you paint them, this is just a reference book, but by just I mean it is the encyclopedia of Waffen SS camouflage. Now I'm not going to go through the entire book, but we're going to pick out just a few little bits just to sort of wet the whistle and get you guys really interested in the book. So as you can see, they are going to go through the different camouflage schemes, and in this particular segment it's actually showing you the camouflage scheme compared to the actual foliage that it was copying. So it's a really cool reference guide there to show you what was actually referencing in terms of the actual foliage, and then it gives you a bit of a breakdown of the different insignia and sort of what cloth was used, etc. Then we've got some helmet covers, and in the book there's loads and loads of black and white photos, so they're just showing you the evidence to go with the camouflage scheme used, which is amazing, so no one can sort of argue the point. And the black and white photos are really good quality with amazing resolution. Then obviously we're going to be covering the oak leaf, or the book's going to be covering the oak leaf pattern, one of the most iconic SS camouflage patterns, especially in my opinion, and it goes into exceptional detail to the minuscule details in terms of the fibers used and all the different types of buttons and whatnot on the actual smock in this particular case. So yeah, really nicely done. If you're a collector as well, this is going to be an amazing book for you, so you know you're not getting any knockoff copies. But again, this is also going to be perfect for wargamers and scale model painters, because it's going to give you a really good idea of what the uniforms look like. And in this book it also shows you the different types of the same smock, but it's faded, so you can sort of get an idea of that not every smock was the same sort of color, and in this particular case P dot. It's just an absolute great book, and you can see here it doesn't just give you P dot and oak leaf, we've also got the Italian pattern as well, following up with those black and white photos as reference. So yeah, just amazing. And the book, as I said, is 400 pages. I'm going to go through it really quickly so you can't see what's inside the book, but you get a feel for it. Now don't just take my word for it, Panzer Jim has nailed it on the head. It is the holy grail of SS camouflage. Now obviously you can get this book from the AK Interactive website. It's currently going for €75, which when you go cost per page and the amount of detail in the book, that is a really cheap price. It might seem steep initially, but honestly it is worth every euro, penny, dollar, whatever your currency. Really is worth the money, guys. I can't stress it enough, and I'm not just saying that because I was fortunate enough to get a book sent to me. Now I am going to be using this video in conjunction with some of the AK Interactive SS paint sets going forward, and I will reference a page or pages whilst doing that video. So hopefully if you do have the book, you can also fire up your book and we can reference the pages together, and you can sort of get a really good understanding of how I'm painting them according to the AK Interactive Waffen SS Camouflage Uniforms book. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you've got this book, if you're interested in this book, if you're going to be grabbing this book. I really would love to know, but until then I will catch you at the next one. Oh, and thank you so much to AK Interactive for sending me out this book. I really do appreciate it, and it's going to be an absolute joy to add to my collection. Alright, that's me done. Catch you guys later.